Hi Libras, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading, Libras. So let us see what is coming up, guys. I'll be picking few cards from each deck, guys, and I'll give the angels guidance message at last. Two of Pentacles, Ace of Cups, Justice, Two of Wands, Libras. With these cards, the energy is that, guys, you are heading towards some kind of new beginning that you are really passionate about. Something new is coming your way, guys. It may be some work related, maybe some hobby related activities, something you really love, you want to do it, you have great passion for it. So that kind of beginning is coming your way, guys. So it may be this person you love, they are coming towards you, or it may be your work, so it may relate to your personal life or your work, and you have that you are not yet decided about two things in your life what you want to do. So it may be in this relationship or work, and you have that decision making, you have two options before you and you do not know which way to go, guys. And maybe for some of you all, you may be having everything with you, your material comforts, your person, possessions, your job, your family, friends, whatever it is, but still you are looking for something else. You may not feel that you want something else in life. Though you have everything, you are not feeling satisfied for some of you all, and you want to achieve something else in life, and you're looking for ways to do that, guys. And for few of you all, maybe this energy, this wanting may come to an end, guys. So you may find that thing that you love, maybe that may be the new beginning that is coming with these cards. So whatever you were wishing to reach, hoping to get in life, you may be inching towards that, and you are definitely making a decision regarding the choice. It may be with the life you want to have, or the job you want to do. Maybe some new job offer has come your way, and you are deciding, or something related to the activities, something you are really passionate about. So you are still not sure which one to pursue. Maybe the opportunity is there to pursue certain activities, and you may be deciding, or it may be some decisions regarding this relationship with this person. This person would have suggested you something, maybe to move in together, or they would have proposed to you, maybe, and you are still deciding whether to accept or not, or you're thinking about this relationship, whether to take it forward or not. That may also be the energy here. So whatever confusion, whatever stress you may be feeling because of this decisions that you need to take, that energy is coming to an end, guys, and you are going to feel that harmony and balance in your life. So that is the energy here, Libras, with these cards. This person definitely loves you, I feel, guys. With the Ace of Cup cards, I see here some kind of contentment, happiness, and true joy in your heart, so you're feeling really happy for how things are unfolding. So that may denote this person coming towards you and you having a nourishing, healthy relationship with this person. That may also be the energy here, Libras. Let us see what is coming up with the other set of cards here, guys. Shit. Whips. Lilies. Garden. Libras, with these cards, the energy is that, guys, in this relationship you share that intimacy, love and affection with this person, just like the Ace of Cup card. These cards denote some kind of passionate beginning for you. This may be in your relationship, guys, so you may start with deepening your relationship, nourishing your relationship into a different level. That may be the reason with this card. Or in your work you may be trying something new which you are really passionate about, which you just love to do, and you are taking your next step. You are moving out of your comfort zone and heading towards this new beginning that is coming your way, guys. That is the energy with these cards. And maybe for some of you all, you may be into some kind of activities, something repetitive, some kind of health activity, something you do repeatedly to maintain your health, like dieting or exercise, or some kind of training for dance, singing, or some kind of practice for sports or something like that, guys, swimming, whatever it is. So something you are doing in excess. Maybe you might have to keep a check on that, the repetitive behavior. Maybe if it is health oriented, it is not to bother. Maybe if it is something harmful, you need to keep it in moderation, guys. So that is also the energy. And maybe for some of you all, this relationship with this person, this is a destined connection, guys, some kind of karmic destiny. Maybe this person is destined to be there with you, and you share a great a very passionate relationship with this person, and you have that intimacy and attraction in this relationship, Libras. That is the energy here, and you feel that harmony and balance in this relationship. You have all that vibrant positive energy in this relationship, guys. And maybe for some of you all, you may be meeting with friends or family, having a good time, going out with them, having a party, going out for dinner, something like that, guys, and you're spending time with them, maybe this person or maybe your family or friends. So whoever it is, you are having a good time. That is also the energy with these cards, Libras. So let us see what the angels are guiding us with today, guys. I'll be picking one card from the angel deck to see what is the angels guidance for us today. Cooperate. So with this card, the angels guidance is that, guys, when we are in our family, community, in our work, or with our person, We need to appreciate the other person's skills, abilities, and encourage them to work with you all, make great things together. So when we encourage the other person, it just changes the whole atmosphere, guys. You can feel that togetherness and bonding in any relationship or even in your work situation, and together you can find solutions. So that is what the angels are guiding us with. So we will build communities together, and we can rely on one another when we are in some stressful situations, guys. So you need to appreciate others, whoever are there in our life. So that is the energy with this angel card, and that is the guidance for today, Libras. Thank you for watching this video. That is the reading for today, guys. I'll see you all tomorrow with another reading. Bye, Libras.